Today I'm gonna make some they call Nomtok or meat salad. First time I bake the beef and I bake like a medium rare. I forget to show you here, but I slice really thin here, really thin like that, really thin piece like that, yeah, like that. And then I put some lemon in there, look like almost whole lemon. And then I put some fish sauce in there and some rice culture or whole one whole spoon, this spoon rice culture this, and fill up fish sauce this, and then lemon put in here. Taste the way I like a little bit sour, not too sour, a little bit salty, yeah. And after I put rice culture in there, and then mix like that. Put rice culture on and mix, and then I forget to show the video. And then now I'm gonna put some here, kalanka here. This lamb leaf slice really thin, you see? Lamb leaf slice really thin here. Kalanka really not really fine. These are garlic slice a little bit small. Put all them in there. Mix them. And then I taste them a little bit. Pretty good. Put some pepper, roast pepper in there. Yeah. Onion. And then this is a churrando, a little bit dry, it's alright. This is scallion. Put all them in there and then mix them. Yeah. And then taste them. Pretty good. Peppermint. Yeah, peppermint. This. Fresh peppermint from garden. Put there. Done. Done. They're pretty good.